crazy. Ay, medyo hindi ko kabisado yung sorry. Half crazy. Every day, I love you more. Sorry. Ay, thank you po, thank you. At least hindi na nalagay ko yung sabi ko. Alright, is it okay if I sing a song na hindi nyo pa naririnig? Alright, kasi I wrote this song. Yeah, someday. Sige, mamaya, may lalo yung someday. Alright, itong song na to, tungkol na dun sa ano yan. Alam niyo yung time na nahuli niyo yung girlfriend or boyfriend na may diba? Tapos, wala ka naman ibang masabi, wala ka naman hindi ko na masisi, wala, dyan eh, diba? Tapos, masakit, pero wala ka nang magawa. So, ang tanong mo na lang, bakit? Bakit nangyari to? Paano mo nagawa sa akin to? Alright, so this song is a song that I wrote about that. Kasi parang sabi mo, bakit mo nagawa to? Mahal naman kita, di ba? Parang binigay ko naman lahat. And yun nga, once in our lives, alam ko na so, this is a song entitled Rocky. That goes like this. Sadyang wala na akong nararamdaman. Di na isang bagay lang na nais na Someday, or The Way You Look Tonight, by Michael Bublé. Sige. Yun yung Someday. Parang gusto niya Someday. Alright, here's my version of a song that I wrote for you.